In this video, we'll be discussing the relationship between OKRs and KPIs and how to create KPI boards in Profit. For a little bit of context, KPIs can be associated with key results to track quantitative outcomes and measure achievement on your objective. As a best practice, successful organizations define and maintain a library of KPIs that are unique to their business, and this allows employees to reuse KPIs for better tracking, reporting, and alignment. Now, this is where Profit comes in, where we have a KPI Boards feature, which is basically a KPI collection dashboard focused on key results. In order to see your KPI boards, we'll simply jump to our home module, go to KPI Boards. In this list, we'll aggregate all the KPI boards you have listed out per your departments. For today's example, we'll take a look at the Services Department's KPI board, and this view will show you all the different KPIs that they're tracking right now. For the first example, first contact resolution rate, we can see all the different key results that are contributing to it, as well as the owners of those key results. We also have the ability to add KPIs with this Add KPI icon up top in the left. And this view, you can add any of the KPIs that we have pre-built into the system. We have about 300, as well as filter for categories or by manager to foster better alignment. We also have the ability to filter for KPIs up top, specifically filter the key results that are contributing to these KPIs. For example, if you wanted to look at the ones in trouble, you could filter for that as well. Now, in order to actually add a KPI board to a department, we'll jump to our settings module, we'll go to OKRs, and from here, we'll jump to KPIs and select KPI boards. This list will aggregate each of the departments right now with KPI boards and give you an ability to re-edit those existing boards. We'll also have the ability to create a new board with this create icon. And from here, we can begin to enter information. We'll search for marketing and select a few KPIs that we want to track. Once we add those, we can click create, and that will now create your KPI board for you. Going back to our dashboard view, we'll now see marketing appear as well.